My name is Seti and welcome back to another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer. In today's video, we're going to be looking at two big updates to Google Meet and how these can save you time when using it in the classroom. Now, the first update is an update to how Google Meet works with Google Classroom. We now have full integration between the two platforms. So let's go ahead and open up Google Classroom and let's have a look at this update. Now here in Google Classroom, you'll notice that the header at the top is still the same, but this can be changed. So let's go ahead and open up our classroom settings. We're going to go to the top right corner and click on that cogwheel. Now once we've clicked on that, scrolling down, we'll now see an additional option. This option is the option of a Google Meet. Now we have two choices here. We can either generate a Meet link or we can make this visible to our students. So let's go ahead and make it visible to our students after having generated a link. And it is automatically made visible to our students. We're going to save these changes. And when you look at the header in Google Classroom, now you'll see that that Google Meet link is right there, easy access for our students. Now let's say that the meeting has ended and you no longer want them to see this. Simply go back into your settings and untick that box. So let's go ahead and do that together. We're going to go into our settings, scroll down, and we're going to untick that box. Now let's say that for some reason you need a fresh link because maybe it's been shared out or maybe the link has leaked online. No problem, you can always request to reset this link. So when you click on reset, we now have a brand new link for a Google Meet. And that's our first big update. Now in regards to how Google Meet works, there's also been an update. Now this update has been a long requested feature of Google Meet and is sharing audio and video in Google Meet. So let's go ahead and open up a Google meeting. We're going to go here, we're going to start a new meeting. I'm going to call this the Apps Events Demo. And then we're going to click on Continue. Now we are in our Google meeting and as you can see my camera jumps on and my audio is on. I'm going to turn my audio off for now and I'm going to join this meeting. Now let's say that in my lesson I have a number of videos prepared or I have a video on YouTube that I'd like to share with my students. Well, I have to open this up in a separate tab. Now as you can see here I have a tab prepared and the video here is the online summit with Apps Events. Now if you haven't watched it yet, I'll link to it in the cards above. It's a great summit where you'll find lots of little tips and tricks on how you can get started teaching online during these times. Now let's go back to our Google Meet and let's say that I want to share this now. Previously we had to use all sorts of workarounds such as casting because simply screen sharing wouldn't share the audio. Now however we can go to Present and we can select a Chrome tab. Now when we select the Chrome tab, we can select that YouTube tab and we can click on Share. Now before you do that, double check and make sure that the box in the bottom left corner is ticked and then you can share the tab. As soon as you share this tab, the audio of this tab will be shared into your Meet. This is great for when you have little introductory videos that you want to use to start off your lesson. Once you've finished, simply click on Stop at the top and you're back into your regular meeting. Now this is the second big update to Google Meet. Now I hope you found this helpful. This was another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer. Make sure that you go down into that comment section below and let us know which of these two updates is your favorite and which one are you going to use most often. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel and we will see you again next time with another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer. Thank you for watching.